Oh, yeah, different colors. Oh my goodness, you'll faint over dead. Just beautiful. Now that dome, that's kind of a miniature jungle. You walk through on this path. And he puts a far-seeing look in Thomas Jefferson's eyes. You can tell he's looking way out over the country. And what we're going to want to communicate by that was that Thomas Jefferson wanted to extend the ideals that he wrote in the Declaration of Independence. Now, if you don't like heights, don't look. We've got some beautiful pictures of the spires in our booklet here that I'm going to be making available to you here very soon. One of them is actually taken above us on the rocks up here on the left, captures the view of the valley, the spires, and this rock. It's called Totem Rock. That's my favorite picture in that booklet. Okay.